A few years back, BMW had introduced an all-new 3 Series lineup to its fan, but left its coupe and convertible on the previous generation platform. This year, the 4 Series has taken for the coupe, leaving the 3 Series for the 4-door models, which includes sedans, wagons, and the new 3 Series Gran Turismo. Today, I would like to introduce you to the 2014 BMW 328i sedan. For 2014, the upgrade that came with the all-new 3 Series last year continue unchanged. From the front, the new 3 Series look a lot like the old one, aggressive headlights, a modern look on the kidney grille, flare air intakes but move around to the side, and the new profile tech shaped. The hood is lower at the nose but rises higher than the previous model thanks to pedestrian safety regulations. The cabin is larger and longer. The overall effect is an update to a familiar silhouette that still communicate with the 3 Series balance of luxury, performance, and function. A range of turbocharged 4 and 6-cylinder gasoline engines plus a 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine are available. A range of trim lines provide for customization of design and equipment. A new model has joined the sedan range at the entry-level price point, the 320i. The next step up is the 328i, which is what I have today, and the top of the line standard model is the 335i. Now, let me show you guys into details of what the front have to offer. Okay, here you see the standard halogen high and low beams headlight, the iconic BMW double kidney grille, and at the bottom is the halogen freeform fog light. Here's a closer look at the grille. With the aerodynamic front bumper. Now the 328i does come with rain sensing windshield wipers as a standard option. Here is the side view mirror with integrated LED signal light. Both side mirrors are capped in black. This particular model comes with the upgraded option, the Sportline package, which include 18-inch alloy sports wheel. And other things which include in the Sportline package are sport leather steering wheel, doors mirror capped in black as I mentioned earlier, sport seats, brushed aluminum trim, highlight trim finish in coral red. I will show you guys in a moment. And last but not least, anthracite headliner. The 328i offers distinctive design. It is simply beautiful. Now let's get to the back and see what we have. Okay, the first thing you will notice is the trunk lid spoiler finished in black to match with the two side view mirror. Here is the tail lamp with integrated turn signal lamp and brake lamp. At the bottom to your left, you will find the dual round black tip exhaust. Okay, here's the remote control with the lock button, unlock, and the trunk open button. Let's open it up and see what we have inside. The exterior color is known as Glacier Silver Metallic. The interior features Dakota Coral Red leather seats, black on the dash, with partially red and black door panels, as well as red and brushed aluminum trim throughout the car. Here's the quick look at the gauge. Right, start and stop button. With your foot on the brake, push the button to start. Under the hood is a 2-liter BMW twin-power turbo inline 4-cylinder, 16-valve 240 horsepower and 255 pound-feet of torque, rear-wheel drive, 8-speed Steptronic automatic transmission with adaptive transmission control combined with a twin-scroll turbocharger with variable valve control and high-precision direct injection. EPA estimated fuel economy is 23 city, 35 highway, and 27 combined. Here's the mirror lock button. All 4 windows are fully automatic, and that's the switch to control your left or your right side view mirror. BMW Sport aluminum door seal. Both driver and passenger seats feature 8-way power front seats, include 2-way manual headrest, and driver memory with 2 presets for exterior mirror and seat positions. Beautiful interior. The 3-spoke design steering wheel is fully wrapped in black leather with red contrast stitching to match with the seats, featuring multi-function controls side by side for your convenience. With silver accenting in the middle. Behind the steering wheel to your right is how you control your windshield wiper up and down to adjust the speed. And over to your left, you can find the right or left turn signal light, or push it toward you to activate the high beam. Here's your light controlled. Okay, and you can scroll this up or down, up to increase the light or down to lower the brightness, and that's your fog light. Okay, let's look at the dash. Here we have the large multimedia screen, the double air vent, door lock button, emergency hazard light, multimedia controlled, dual climate controlled, here we have dual cup holder, ashtray and a cigarette lighter. Here's the gearbox. Press the unlock button on the side, push down for drive, P for park, and press the unlock button on the side again and push it up to get into reverse. That's your Eco Pro and Sport mode. Traction control off. And here's the control to the iDrive unit. You can scroll the knob around to move around screen. You can also move it up, down, right or left, or push it down to select. And here's all the menu buttons. Here's your parking brake. Center storage compartment with a 12-volt power outlet, USB and auxiliary input. And that's your cell phone holder right there. Glove box compartment There is your trunk lock button. Integrated 3-button universal garage door opener. Here's your light control. BMW emergency button. And that's your passenger airbags. Signals light. One touch button, open, close, and tilt moonroof. Sun visor mirror with a card holder. Alright, let's get into the back and see how it feels in the back. Okay, I'm 5'8" and have a lot of leg rooms. So for a taller individual, it'll be okay. Here's the seat pocket. Dual air vent for the rear passenger, as well as the 12-volt power outlet. Rear armrest with 2 cup holder. And here's the light for the rear passenger. Alright, here's the view to the front cabin. Very nice aluminum trim and red accent. The 328i offers a 13 cubic feet of cargo space, and you can also fold the rear seats down for additional cargo space. There's a lever on both sides of the trunk. Just pull it to fold the seat down. Very convenient. Alright guys, that is it for today's review. I hope you guys like it. And don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more future video review. Alright, I'll see you guys next time.